If you love Norwex as much as I do for safer, smarter, everyday products, February 2026 is starting off really strong. We have brand new products, upgraded formulas, and a fresh new catalog. And instead of just showing you what's new, I want to explain why these updates matter and how they actually fit into our real life. Now, this is our new 2026 Norwex catalog, and it is designed beautifully to help simplify our everyday routines from our personal care to home care with fewer products that actually do more. So let's walk through some of the most asked about new launch items. First up, we have these new quick clean cloths. They are so nice. They come in a pack of 2. Look at the texture here. So I want you to think about these for those situations where you would still reach for a paper towel or maybe even a disposable wipe. For the really gross messes, this cloth is what you're going to want to use instead. These are our new quick clean cloths. They are intentionally designed differently than the rest of our microfiber, like our EnviroCloth. These are much different, and I'm going to explain that. The looser waffle weave makes these ideal for big messes, grease, raw meat spills, pet accidents, chunky accidents, garage cleanup, greasy hands, because they actually trap grime really fast, but because they have this looser texture, they release those items more easily when you rinse and wash them out. I keep one set under my kitchen sink and another set is in the garage for my hubby. He loves them, especially for the messes when we don't want him sacrificing one of my beloved Norwex cloths. They help replace paper towels and any disposable wipes. They rinse very easily, and they're made with recycled materials, which actually saves us money and reduces waste over time. Kind of get that environmental footprint down. Now, next up, we have the Multipurpose Everyday Cleaner Concentrate. So this is a concentrate, so we're going to want to dilute it. I'm going to hold up a forever bottle with it. Now, I know someone watching this video is going to think, wait a minute, I thought Norwex cleaned with just microfiber and water. Yes, that is absolutely true. Our microfiber alone can remove up to 99% of bacteria using just water when used properly, and the microfiber will last a very long time. This multi-purpose everyday cleaner concentrate, I want you to think about this for those times when water alone isn't quite enough. Things like your buildup, stubborn grime, high traffic areas, high touch areas, the granite, the light switches. I actually use this everywhere. And what I love about it is that it uses plant-based surfactants to lift dirt and a probiotic blend that continues working well after the time we're done cleaning. And this also helps break down and lift up residue in the cracks and crevices. So think about things like hardwood floor and granite, super concentrated. So one bottle is going to make multiple refills, and it pairs beautifully with any of your Norwex microfiber and for your floors as well, using that Norwex mop with the microfiber pads. I use it on everything, counters, hard surfaces, you name it, and it keeps working long after we're done. Next up, we have an all-in-one bathroom cleaner concentrate. So it comes in a box and you get these 3 sachets. This is going to be your everyday bathroom workhorse. And this is a very upgraded formula compared to our previous bathroom cleaner. The all-in-one bathroom cleaner cleans and descales, meaning it removes soap scum, hard water, buildup, rust, even urine salts. Now, I'm super excited about that because I have a house full of boys. So I love using this around toilets, even on my bathroom floors. It's EWG verified, highly bio-based, and it now includes a water softener, which is a pretty big deal for homes that have hard water or even well water. Now, there's absolutely still a place in my home for the Norwex descaler. I love that stuff. I use that now for the really heavy mineral buildup, maybe messes that have been there a long time. This one I use regularly. I keep the bathroom fresh and clean. destroys all of the grime that causes odors, and it helps from that buildup from occurring. Next, we have the Soap-Dispensing Kitchen Sponge Brush. This is a practical upgrade for the kitchen. Now, traditional sponges, you know, the yellow and the blue ones, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria, and they need to be replaced frequently, because if we don't, we're going to be washing our dishes with bacteria. This soap dispensing kitchen sponge brush has these natural sisal fibers and a biocellulose sponge, which actually dries super fast. You want to store this upright in the handle. It lets you control exactly how much dish soap you use. Just push this little button and the perfect amount comes out. This also has backlock. It helps reduces odors, and the pads are replaceable. So good. You can get the replacements in a set of 2, and it's safe for your nonstick cookware and all the things. By the way, don't throw away this white part because you're going to need it for the Velcro. It pairs beautifully with Norwex dish soap, which is my favorite. And this also helps reduce waste from constantly tossing the sponges. Now, next, we're going to get into a little personal care. We have the Ultra-Hydrating Body Lotion with refills. This is going to be my personal favorite this time around. If you've ever put on lotion on your body and felt dry again in an hour, it's usually because the lotions that I used to use just sat on top of my skin. They weren't penetrating the skin. They weren't absorbing well. This new Ultra Hydrating Lotion is fragrance-free, EWG verified, and it's actually designed to support our skin's microbiome, which helps our skin actually hold on to moisture. I ran a test with this. I used it on half my body, got up the next day, and that half of my body still felt soft and better. It uses pre and postbiotics to support our skin's barrier, along with some really amazing Nordic antioxidants like cloudberry, lingonberry, that actually improves our hydration and our skin's comfort. I've been using this for a while. I've been using it consistently. And what I notice the most, as I mentioned before, is my skin just stays soft. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. It absorbs really fast. It just feels comfortable. And it's refillable, which I love. And especially when it's something we're going to want to use every single day. Now, next up, we have a body and face scrub mitt. Yep, body and face all in one. It has 2 different textures on the sides. This one simplifies your routine in the best way. And I just use the little tag on the inside to hang it in my shower. This gently exfoliates and cleanses using just water. No scrubs, no fragrance, no extra products. It's really a nice texture. I feel like my skin is thoroughly getting exfoliated with this, but it's not scratchy. The textured side provides physical exfoliation to lift up the dead skin and any buildup we have, while this soft side cleanses, leaving our skin smooth and not stripped. It also has thumb holes on both sides, so we can use it with either hand. It also has our amazing backlock technology, which is our micro silver, so it's going to stay fresh between washes. And guys, this pairs perfectly with the new body lotion. Exfoliate first helps your skin absorb moisture even better. And talking about exfoliation, let's talk about our backs. We have a new and improved back scrubber. So good, so good. If you've ever tried to wash or exfoliate your back without twisting around like a pretzel, this is going to fix that. And many members of my family have their own. They really like this. So this is a dual-sided microfiber cleansing tool, right? To cleanse and exfoliate all the hard-to-reach areas using just water. So our back, our shoulders, even the bottom of my feet. Now, the side that's the most textured is going to exfoliate really, really well. And then I always do that first, and then I flip it over and use the soft side to cleanse the skin. And these built-in handles make it super easy to use and control. It's also Okeotech certified for safety, and it does a great job replacing body scrubs that often contain those questionable ingredients. All right, next we have some new makeup removers. Comes in a set of 2. These are my favorite. I love this size. These are one of the easiest Norwex swaps any gal can make. The makeup removers lift makeup and daily buildup, even just sunblock, using just water alone. And look how beautiful these are. No fragrance, no preservatives. They're reusable, machine washable. Something I really like about these is they dry really fast, and they're great for anyone with sensitive skin, mature, teen, even oily skin. They remove the things we don't want and leave the things that we need. If you're new to Norwex skincare, this is one of the easiest places to start. I think you're going to really like them. All right, so I'm going to hold that catalog up again. All of these new products are inside of our 2026 Norwex catalog. All of these are designed to support healthier homes and healthier lives. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.